Welcome to Ifa Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. Ogún paid double for his Ifa. Story: One day, Esu went to the house of Orúnmìlà to ask him a favor, to initiate him into Ifa. Orúnmìlà asked him if he had money to do it, and Esu replied that he didn't. Then Orúnmìlà told him that if he didn't have money, he couldn't initiate him into Ifa. At that moment, Esu leapt up to the ceiling, hitting his head and bleeding heavily. When Orúnmìlà's wife saw this, she said, "Now the authorities are going to come and will be arrested." Seeing his wife so frightened, Orúnmìlà called Esu back and performed the Ifa initiation for him. When he had finished, he told Esu, "You can go now." Esu left and stood at a street corner. Just then, Ogún passed by, and Esu greeted him, saying, "Greet me properly, I have been initiated into Ifa." Ogún replied, "Well, if you've been initiated, then divine for me." Esu divined and said, "In your house there are many hens, and at night they climb up high." Ogún responded, "You're a liar, you already knew that." Esu said, "All right then, wait. This morning, your mother scolded you because you touched her from behind and her husband saw it." Ogún then said, "That is true, because you weren't there." And Ogún went on his way. When Ogún got home, he told his mother what Esu had said and added, "I want to become a babalawo." His mother replied, "Ask Esu how much it costs to be initiated into Ifa." When Ogún asked Esu how much it cost to get initiated, Esu told him, "A cart full of money." After Ogún left, Esu went to Orúnmìlà's house and said, "Ogún is coming so you can initiate him into Ifa. He asked me how much it costs, and I told him a cart full of money." And that's how Ogún paid double for his Ifa.